to give the right content, and also the kind of roles I had, 2, 3 different looks, and too much of time was required. And I think she has managed with a lot of difficulty. She used to travel. She has somehow been a big support for me. Thank you so much. Nothing will go for waste. As I always tell you, I have only one thing in mind. Whatever we do in life, be honest and be truthful, whether it is relationship or whether it is work. Rest, God will bless me. That's what I believe. And I think I have to talk about each actor, but I hope that you guys are not bored. Everybody spoke a lot, and even I'm speaking a lot, I think, but it's an emotional moment. I have to thank each actor for particular thing, but I don't know whether it's. Can I talk or is it? Yeah. Nayan, I have to really thank you. It takes a lot of grace to choose this film and do what you have done. You're a lady superstar. You can run behind individual films. I know what your market is and how fans love you. And when we came with this film, I was in a situation where there was some issue with the dates. So it was very quick. I mean, you didn't get much time. We kind of pushed, but I really liked the way you committed yourself to this film with all the dates issues and whatever that. But you've given your best, and how? You have added the value. You look badass. You look like most badass sister anybody can have. And this character, you have nailed it. Thank you so much. And yeah, she's also someone like me, not very good at promotion. A lot of people think that it is like we try and do that. No, it's not like that. It's difficult to come and talk. What to talk? All of you always say so much about us, give so much love. When we talk, I don't know whether it will be right or sometimes we overspeak. But she came here with all of that, and I can see that whatever you spoke, it was from the heart, and thank you so much. And Tara, every time 4, 5 girls are there in the film, it's very, very important for us to balance each and every character, because me and Geetu we were discussing one thing, because each character has different shades. And how do we balance? How do we kind of make each character unique? But then your presence gave us so much. We, in fact, increased your scenes more than what it was written because of your fabulous presence and your effort and your, how do I put it, your elegance. So it has added a lot of elegance to our film. Thank you so much for being part of our film. And Huma, you have become brand ambassador of Toxic, Huma. I know it's difficult, very difficult for a person who's doing a lot of unique work, and you are doing independent films. I know what it takes to produce a film and go through what all we go through during release. In spite of that, you have taken a lot of time for this film, and you have believed in this, and you have given us that freedom to position each one of you. I know you guys will have it, but you still had faith. But guys, I have to thank Huma, and you will witness her presence in the cinema. I think we have kind of not shown her much here. She's going to blow your mind, and she has done phenomenally well. Thank you, Huma. Thank you for being part of this film. And Akshay, you too have become like part of Karnataka. You become very popular, Akshay. Every time you give something, some interview, even Radhika tells me the way you speak. Sometimes I get scared. Is it like, am I so good? Akshay is talking about me like as if, I'm like, okay, maybe. Sometimes you see yourself in others and you learn so much. Thank you for making me feel so special. And you're a wonderful actor. You really nailed it. And I've learned so much from you. You've been telling, I've learned so much from you. Thank you so much. That is for me to know and you to guess. I'm not going to tell what it is. And if not Sudev, trust me, this movie wouldn't have happened. You know why, Sudev? He's very, very good, but he was there like Asthana Kalavida, we say. He was there every day with us. If somebody's date, there is a problem, Sudev's date was something which was helping us to manage everything. You have been that hook in this big chain of filmmaking process. Thank you, Sudev. Rukmini. Bada hemme namge. I'm very proud. A girl from Karnataka who is doing so well, and she's so well read. Drama school, London alla training ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರಪ್ಪ ಅವರು. And it shows. And I'm very happy that she's been part of this film. And every actor has been, how do I say, they have got some portions where they take the center stage, but there is so much more they offer to other actors. So it is not just about themselves, but they offer to other actors. And Kiara. Tabahi, yeah. Kiara, I think the kind of role you have performed in this, they've just seen a glimpse in trailer. You are so dedicated, man. I've seen you like work so hard. And you know, initially we all thought, okay, when you get all these actors, there could be a problem and there could be so many issues. But I think the beginning is Kiara was so down to earth. She dedicated herself and surrendered to this vision, and the way she has performed and what you have to go through as an actor, unfortunately, don't care. Whatever you believe in, you should do, and people will celebrate, people will appreciate. It's just that we are a little ahead of times. People will know it. Thank you so much for your support, and I don't know, did I miss anybody? ತುಂಬಾ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ? And now media. Thank you so much. I've been watching all of you. You guys have been great support. So many of you. Every time there is some negativity about our film, be it postponement, be it shooting being shelved, or anything, I've seen all of you fight for it. I see that you have faith in me. All I can say is, I promise that I have not taken this for granted. Every effort, every decisions which has been taken towards this film is based on what is good for the cinema and what is good for Indian cinema. So I'm just a labor of Indian cinema. I'm trying to give my best. Keep supporting us and believe in us. This movie is going to blow your mind. Thank you for coming. Thank you for taking so much time. And I know a little bit of, because of traffic and rain, it's been delayed. And I want to apologize for all of the inconvenience you guys have gone through. Thank you so much. I love you all. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. May I please request for the team to take the podium out of here, please? Yeah.